Hi everyone, I'm Jewel and this is J7409 Weather. Welcome to each and every one of you on the 2nd of October 2019. Hoping all of you have a good day. So far as severe weather today, it looks like it's going to be really calm compared to yesterday afternoon. Here's the categorical outlook for today, and it's looking like a low severe threat. Isn't that good news? Is going to be noted with storms that do develop from portions of the southern plains and to the mid-Mississippi Valley today. You can see this map looks a whole lot different today. Greatest chance of these storms developing will be a little of the Texas Panhandle into parts of Oklahoma, Kansas, Missouri, and just a little bit of western Illinois. So far as the tornado outlook, nothing, less than 2%. And when it comes to the wind in this general same area at only 5%, hail is the very same. So this is very good for severe weather outbreaks today, looking very, very low. Now, as we take a look at the NAM map, this is on the European model, by the way, you can see what's going on now through the next couple of days through Friday. I'm going to turn this on, and it's looking like, folks, you see the timestamp in the lower right-hand corner. White is snow. Purple is freezing rain or mixed ice. Blue, of course, is rain. Now, there's this slight risk of excessive rainfall over parts of the southern plains and northeastward to the Great Lakes and Ohio Valley. Temperatures will be 10 to 25 degrees below average over parts of the northern and central plains, and temperatures will be 10 to 20 degrees above average from parts of the lower middle Mississippi Valley to the mid-Atlantic. Now, we have a slow-moving cold front extending from the northeast into the Great Lakes and across the southern high plains. It's going to move very slowly southeastward to off the northeast and mid-Atlantic coast into the southeast and the southern plains by Friday. Now, late this afternoon, a wave of low pressure should develop along the front over the middle Mississippi Valley, and it should move northeastward toward western New York by tomorrow night. Now, moisture from the West Gulf of Mexico and the eastern Pacific is going to pool along the boundary, and this will result in showers and thunderstorms along the front over parts of the central and southern plains into parts of the Great Lakes and Ohio Valley. There is a slight risk of excessive rainfall over this region, and heavy rain associated with slow-moving showers and thunderstorms will likely lead to some scattered areas of possibly flash flooding that will be mainly localized. Showers will linger across the central plains and the middle Mississippi Valley through this tomorrow morning before this cold front finally pushes through. And meanwhile, we got gusty winds and low humidity. It has led to critical fire weather across western central Colorado. It's a mess there, folks. The fire weather threat will diminish at some point today, and the wind should calm down. And by late tonight and tomorrow, isolated showers and thunderstorms should continue across the Great Lakes and enter into the northeast. Now, we have winter weather advisories in effect across portions of the southeast of Montana, southwest South Dakota, where you guys can get 1 to 3 inches of snow that is expected to come up. So you see the map. We'll let it run right on through the rest of Friday right quick. Earlier you did see that chance of snow that was moving across in these areas, and over in here by Friday, looking like Maine may get some snow, not a big snow out, but some. Up in Canada, it's sporadic with snow and freezing rain. I despise freezing rain. How about you folks? You can't drive in it. It's just a mess. But for the next few days, today through Friday afternoon, this is what it's looking like across the lower 48 and portions of Canada. And checking out the tropics right quick. Of course, I've got this set to 5-day graphical tropical weather outlook from the National Hurricane Center. Before I get going on these, nothing's going on in the Central Pacific or the Eastern North Pacific at this time. Everybody really wants to know about disturbance number 1. Now, this is on 5 days. It's moved up 10%, okay, since yesterday. It's still a broad area of low pressure located over the northwestern Caribbean Sea, and it continues to produce disorganized showers and thunderstorms. Now, any development of this system is expected to be slow to occur while it moves to the west-northwest near the Yucatan Peninsula in a couple of days, and over the southern Gulf of Mexico by some point late Friday. In 2 days, 10%, 5 days, up 10% to 20%. I really don't think you guys are going to have anything to worry about. There's lots of sheer wind over here. And also moving in, we have this huge high pressure that's going to be up there that's going to push down. It's timing. We have to wait and see if these things kind of collide or if this moves a little faster than the high pressure moves in and starts to move down. But right now, just keep your eyes on it. Don't worry. Don't panic. Don't fear it. Just keep your eyes on it. Any changes, I'll be sure and get them out there to you. Now, when it comes to this little fellow, disturbance number 2, I don't think any of us will have anything to worry about with it as of right now. It's just disorganized cloudiness and showers that extends from the southeastern Bahamas northeastward across the western Atlantic for several hundred miles, and it's associated with the surface trough. Now, development of this system is no longer anticipated at all while it moves northward to northeastward at 5 to 10 miles per hour, remaining well south of Bermuda, 0, 2 days, 5 days. Lorenzo won't die. Would you look at Lorenzo this morning? The winds are still at 90 miles per hour. The minimum central pressure is 960 millibars. It's located 42.3 north, 29.4 west, and Lorenzo is moving northeast at 43 miles per hour. And that's a check of your weather today, folks. I hope everybody has a good day, a safe day, and a blessed day. Thank you so much for watching and everything you do for me. I love you all so much. Thanks for all my regular subs. You know I love you. I feel like I know each and every one of you. All of my new subs, I'm beginning to get to know you. Thank you so much. Please share this information with your family and friends and on your social media. I would greatly appreciate it. Peace, love, and kindness to all. Thanks for watching.